This is the NOEVSBIG magnetic soldering wire holder. Just comes in a plain brown box. Let's take it out of the box. And in the box you get the magnetic soldering wire holder. Comes with a hook. It comes with a silicone pad, and it is magnetic. You can see the magnets there. There are 6 slots, as you see, so you can lay the wire across in there just like that. This will handle 28 gauge wire at the smallest end, all the way up to 12 gauge wire on the largest end. Maximum diameter is 3.5 millimeters, so 1 millimeter to 3.5. Basically, you just stick the wire in where it's going to fit and hold it for you, and that makes it just that much easier like that. Little silicone pad you can put down like that, or you can see it's magnetic and sticks. It will sort of stick through that, or you can use the hook and hang it up when not in use. And to use it is just a trivial manner of sticking the wire in where it's going to fit. And as you can see, it holds the wire nicely. So let's go ahead and heat this up a bit and see if we could solder this. This iron is kind of low power, so it doesn't really deliver the heat that we need for wires this thick. And she's going. That's soldered enough. And we could take that out, actually. It's a little hot, but that's soldered right there just fine. And we can go ahead and use this one now and solder that. This should heat up a bit faster. I like the fact that it sticks down magnetically. Of course, it's on a towel and on the silicone pad, so it's not staying in place as much as I would have liked, but we're getting there nonetheless. So just for a quick idea, right there, and that's all soldered up just fine right there. You can pull that out, and there you go. All done. So really kind of nice how you can just stick it in. Obviously too big, too big. There you go. And then you can just sort of push it right on the top, and it'll hold the wire nice and tight in there, provided you get it right in the groove. This way you can make, you know, nice straight joints like that. So once again, this is the NOEVSBIG magnetic soldering wire holder. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.